Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to study about basic things about the C++ programming language. This project perfect for you. This system you will learn how to manage input and output, structure your data, and use info arrays or vector and use essential programming tools like loop and conditional statement. By the end of the video, you should have a solid understanding of how input and output, conditional loops, and basic logic work together in a C++ program. Then I will guide you through the entire process step by step. So grab your keyboard and let's get started. The programming code that I am going to explain to you now has been previously prepared in C++. I am now ready to explain that prepared programming code to you. First, let me explain why use instream. Instream is used in almost every C++ program that needs to interact with the user through input or out display message in the console. It is foundational for learning and implementing basic input and output functionality. Next, let me explain why use to string. The string is used. The string header in C++ is part of the standard library and is used to work within the std string class. This class provides an easy to use and dynamic way handle sequences of characters unlike marginal C-style string which really on fixed size character arrays. So third is using namespace std. The using namespace std directive is used in C++ to simplify the use of entities from the standard namespace. The std namespace contains all the standard library components, including classes like std string, function like stdout, and many others. Int is used for this. In C++, and int index is typically used to access element in a data structure or to represent positions in a sequences like arrays, vectors, or strings. It is one of the most common types for indexing because integers are efficient and directly mapped to memory address. Then, as shown in the section I have selected in blue, you need type int source equals 0, string name, string index number, and string answer. Then I need to type it as shown in the blue select section. It uses while. The while loop in C++ is used when you want to respectively execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. It is particularly useful when the number of interaction is not ignored beforehand and depend on runtime condition. It uses cinit. The cin stream is used to take input from the user via the keyboard or standard input. It uses cout init. The cout stream is used to display information on the console or standard output. We use getLine to read the user response. GetLine is used instead of cin because the user answer could have space and we need to capture the full line. Let's now consider we formula the question. For each question, we use cout to display the question and the answer choice. Type a question like the part I have selected in blue and set for question to it in Cout. This is where if is used. In C++, the if statement is used for conditional execution for code it evaluates conditions and executes the associated block of the code only if the conditions of the true. This is where if-else is used. The if-else statement in C++ in used when you need to check multiply conditions is a equation it always you to test one conditions. After another unit a true condition is found if a condition in an else if block is true. It is executed code block is execute and the rest of the conditions are integrated. Square is equal to score plus 20 and should be typed in it. You should type as I have indicated so that 20 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. You can type as many questions as you like. Let's now consider the ways in switch is used. Here the program uses a switch statement to determine the grade based on the score. However, there are some issues. First, there or no break statement, which case hold throw behavior. This means that if score max case 100, the program will continue checking all the subtraction case and print all of them which is intent. Results are used after the question. We display the username, index number and their final score. This gives the user a summary of their performance. Scholarships are used if the user score is greater than 75. We congratulate them for being selected for a scholarship. This is done using an if statement. If the condition is true, the user gets a message. The break statement in C++ is used to exit or terminate a loop or switch statement. Before it completes its normal execution, it immediately transfers control to statement following the loop or switch. Return is used. The statement return in C++ is primarily used in functions to indicate the results of their execution and to terminate their execution, transferring control back to the caller. It is especially common in the main function to signal the program's exit state to the operation system. Now let's run in this code. First, initial name and index number should be provided. My name is Pulasti. Next, index number. My index number is BSP 23 E139. Now let's answer the question. First answer is D. It is wrong. Second answer is B. Answer is correct. Next, A, D. The result is grade is W, student name is Pulasti, index number BST 23 B139. My score is 0. I got 4 questions wrong out of the answers I gave, so I got a score of 0. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where we will dive into more advanced C++ concepts. Take care and keep coding.